resume isn't getting calls, it's not the resume fault. You're not underqualified. I've taught more than 3,000 learners how to improve it. It's all because it's not optimized for that JD and that particular role. So that is why I built something. I built AI Career Engine, a free AI powered site to fix that. So in this video, I'll show you how I use AI to, rewrite resumes and tailor them to job. And there is a screenshot of it that will be coming along the way, and how you can do it without paying any particular thing. So it's completely free. I built it for students because a lot of them were not able to afford the fee of AI tools and not able to do using ChatGPT. So first I'll tell you about the part of why most resume fail. So there is no proof of attached to it, just a tool and skills list, and no tailored to JD. Like you'll just randomly create a single resume and use it everywhere. So, and there isn't any impact driven bullet points, like you just build a dashboard, but how did it help a particular business? That's not mentioned anywhere. So I'll walk you through how to use it. So just paste your JD in there and then upload your resume or even a screenshot of it, and AI gives you a rewritten version tailored to that particular JD. And you can use a bonus point for it. You can use AI Air generator to fix the bullet points with measured result, like you can put those. Plus there is a guided resume builder if you are starting from scratch and you don't have a resume as of now. All these takes more than 30 minutes, you might be guessing, but it takes less than 5 minutes and it's free, best part. So real impact I've had with people was my mentee got 3 interview calls in 7 days, and another landed a 5.2 LPA data analyst role without any experience, just using this particular stack. So that's why I told you I've helped more than 3,000 students, and their resume actually got replies, not get ghosted. So this isn't a fuzz, it's a resume tech that actually works. So if you're a fresher, a career switcher, or stuck in the job search loop, try this tool that's made for you. So it's a link you can also see on Google, also aicareerengine.com, but I have mentioned in description also, you can check it out. So there's no login, there is no payment, just start with it and hope it helps you land your next job. I really hope it does. And if you like it, subscribe, because we'll be building more tools and more work will be getting done. And I see you guys in the next one.